To change profile picture on MacBook lock screen is quite easy and simple. So you need to go to your desktop on Mac, and once you're here, just go and click on this Apple icon and go to System Settings. Open this up, and once that is open, you need to scroll down a bit, and here go to Users and Groups. Click on this, and once that is open, you need to go to the certain profile for which you want to change the profile picture. In my case, the admin, this one. So click on the profile picture. This opens up. Now here you have an option for the emojis. You can emojis, not emojis. You can go to emojis. You can also open up the camera. You can also go to iCloud photos or any suggestions. So you can explore any of these. And once you have selected some new profile picture, just go and select that. For example, in this case, this one. Click on save. It is also here. And if you go to the lock screen, it would be also there. So hope by doing so, you'll be able to change the profile picture on MacBook lock screen. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.